What's up, everybody? Hey, Dr. Peter Noel here. So I wanted to share a case with you that came across my desk the other day, and it's a 9-year-old golden that's got some vague signs of lethargy and abdominal discomfort. And so the abdominal sonogram is performed at the referring veterinarian because it's an old golden. So here you've got what is presumably the urinary bladder, not the gallbladder, but in the far field here, you've got an anechoic structure, and it's difficult to see the anechoic structure because in the near field you've got this sort of contouring hyperechoic echogenic line that has a very what some people would call a dirty shadow, so that all of the anatomy in the far field is just being obscured. And so this in the region of the urinary bladder is diagnostic for emphysematous cystitis. And so abdominal radiograph, because sometimes you don't have the sonogram, but emphysematous cystitis is nasty. So here it is right here, contouring the urinary bladder wall right here. You've got this irregular, lucent line that is gas. Here is what it looks like on the other lateral view. Okay, so got it through this way, and then on the VD view, right through here, gas contouring the margins of the urinary bladder. Never mind the bulbous, likely splenic hemangio or whatever, big old splenic head. But this is emphysematous cystitis. And emphysematous cystitis is often attributed to a complicated urinary tract infection related to diabetes mellitus. So maybe you know that the dog has diabetes mellitus, or maybe you diagnose diabetes mellitus because you find emphysematous cystitis and you go try to track it down. It can happen in dogs and in small animals that don't have diabetes mellitus, but it's often a flag for diabetes mellitus. The other reason you want to pay attention is because it often requires a different antibiotic treatment regimen compared to sort of your run-of-the-mill first-time urinary tract infection. So complicated urinary tract infection, get a culture, try to rule down diabetes mellitus, and make the dog feel better. All right, stay handsome.